Today on Divas Can Cook, we are making pecan pie bars, and y'all, these bars are currently sitting in my kitchen, practically begging me to put them in vanilla ice cream. And I'm gonna listen, okay? Let's make it. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna do is add some all-purpose flour into a large bowl, throw in a little bit of sugar, and a little bit of salt. We're gonna whisk this all around. We're making kind of like a buttery cookie crust. It's so good. Then we're gonna add in a little bit of melted butter. Not too much, just enough to kind of get it to form a nice dough. This is gonna be the perfect base for our pecan pie bars. I love, love, love this crust. Okay, so go ahead and just stir it all up, mix it together. I like to use my hands just to kind of knead everything together until you have this nice soft little ball like this right here. So I have lined my pan with parchment paper. Now this is the hardest part of the recipe. It's really easy. We're going to just press this dough right into this pan. You're going to think that you don't have enough. You have enough, all right? It's going to work. Next, just go ahead and bake it at 350 for about 20 minutes. And here's how it's going to look when it comes out of the oven. It's done. Well, almost done, okay? Set that aside and let's move on to the filling. I'm going to add some dark brown sugar into a bowl, add in a little bit of flour. This is going to help things kind of firm up a little bit. We're going to stir this all up, add in a pinch of salt, pinch of cinnamon, get that all mixed in. And next we're going to add in just a little bit of melted butter. Okay, dump that in there. And now I'm going to add in my corn syrup. Of course, got to have that corn syrup for that classic pecan pie filling. Yep, love that. Okay, next we're going to add in a whole lot of vanilla extract because, yeah, got to do that. We're going to mix this all around like this. And then I'm going to add in my beaten eggs. I'm going to stir this up very, very gently because you don't want it to get all foamy and all that kind of stuff. So go ahead and just stir it nice and gently like that. Okay. Now it's starting to look familiar. Now it's starting to look like that classic pecan pie filling. Yep. Okay, now we're going to add in our pecans. I'm using chopped pecans. I like to use chopped pecans because it kind of forms this wonderful crust over the top. It's so good on these bars. All right, so go ahead and dump that filling right into your prepared crust like that, into a nice even layer. All right, that looks good. Perfect. All right, so we're gonna pop this into the oven for about 35 minutes. When it comes out, it has to set. You know how pecan pie is, about 2 to 3 hours, seriously. Okay, next you can go ahead and just cut it on up into these little cute bars, and y'all, Lord have mercy, it is so good. These are the bomb. You can double this recipe so easily. Make a big old pan for Thanksgiving or Christmas. And of course, I had to listen to my intuition and put it in vanilla ice cream. It did not disappoint. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe and check out my other videos. Later.